Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Sonja. If you're new here, I'm Sonja and I share cozy seasonal home decorating ideas and simple ways to make your home feel warm and inviting all year long. Today, I'm so excited to bring you my cozy front porch Halloween decorating ideas, the perfect mix of fall charm and just a touch of spooky. Before we get started, I want to wish all my Canadian friends a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope your weekend was filled with good food, cozy moments, and time with people you love. And I also want to mention this is officially my last fall decorating video for the year because we're about to switch gears and head straight into Christmas decorating season. So make sure your bell notifications are turned on so you don't miss all the upcoming Christmas inspiration coming your way. All right, let's head out to the porch and start decorating. For this decorate with me, I'm not starting with a clean slate. I'm actually keeping a few of my fall pieces, swapping out a few items, and then adding in some Halloween touches to give the porch a cozy, slightly spooky vibe. Of course, my creative team is here to supervise and make sure I do everything right. If you don't know who these two are, the white and black dog is Frank, he is a Tornyak, and the black and white one is Duke, my new Bernese mix. They're always close by, especially Duke. He's my little shadow. Not so little. Before I start decorating, I wanted to quickly show you a few of the items I'll be pulling from for this setup. First thing I'm doing is moving these stacked pumpkins right to the porch, front of the porch. I think they make a nice focal point there. Next, I'm removing the blanket and pillow from the rocking chair, and I'll adding my big skeleton. It's not quite as large as I'd love to have, but I've been told no more big Halloween buys for storage reasons. I'm also swapping out my wreaths for some spookier ones. These are wreaths I actually made several years ago on my DIY channel and they still hold up so well. Then I'm adding a broom and a scarecrow to one of my moms. I love little touches like that make the space playful without going over the top. Next, it's time to add my jack-o'-lanterns. The big one came from Costco a few years back, and the rest are from Dollarama or thrifted. I gave them makeovers myself. You can find those DIYs over on my DIY channel, and a few are even here on this channel from last year. I'm keeping my regular pumpkins, just shifting them around a bit to balance everything out. I'm also swapping out my entryway mat. This one is a bit small, so I might layer it later with a larger one once I find one that works. And lastly, I'm adding the sign from Tailored Canvases that I absolutely love. I got it a few years back and it still fits my style perfectly. It's such a nice finishing touch for the front of the porch. Before we move on, I'd love to know in the comments, do you decorate for Halloween or just for fall? And do you go super spooky or do you prefer cozy with a little hints of Halloween like me? Now we're moving over to the side of the porch, and I need to start by giving this chair a quick clean. I'm not sure why the birds always choose this spot, but they do. Once that was cleaned up, I added these 4-foot skeletons I picked up at Dollarama last year. I did see them again this year, but they sell out super fast, so if you spot them, grab them right away. They're only $5 each, which is such a great deal. Beside them, I added pillows. These pillow covers came from Amazon. I love how they tie in the whole look. On the little side table, I created a small vignette with a jack-o'-lantern and a lantern, and a little ghost. And that completes my cozy front porch Halloween decorate with me. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope this gave you some simple and cozy ideas for decorating your porch for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss my upcoming Christmas decorating videos. I can't wait to start sharing those with you. Wishing you all happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.